Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC flight test. And I've got Jason here again. I'm behind camera. I never get to fly these flight tests. But he's here with the TAFT Yak-11 from our friends at banggood.com. Tell us all about it, Jason.
Yeah, so it's this is the plug and play kit. They do a kit version if you want to supply your own motor and servos, etc. But this is the plug and play kit, so we'll see how it goes on kind of stock kit, I suppose. Goes together really easy. In fact, my wife actually put this together last night, as you saw.
The missus put it
She
together.
did, yeah.
That is proof of how easy it is to put together.
It's really easy to put together.
Although she is a very smart lady, I have to say that she knows her stuff. So
of course, Tom. Yes, absolutely. But no, it goes together pretty easy. The manual's kind of a typical, should we say, Google translation. So kind of just go by the pictures rather than the writing.
Right.
But apart from that, it goes together quite easily. The wings come in two separate pieces. The spar is like is kind of a 2x4 piece of wood that goes through the middle. I've never seen such a heavy-duty spar on a foamie. So it's definitely got some strength. Split flaps, which is really nice.
Yeah.
Retracts.
Yeah.
And then kind of all your other surfaces. The nice little details of the exhaust. Some nice wheel covers when the wheels are up. It comes with a nice little pitot tube here, which is nicely held on with a magnet.
Okay.
So you don't break
steerable tail wheel.
Quite a nice
it's a tail
tail wheel as well. Yeah. So well built steerable tail
Okay,
wheel
so
there.
good ground control with it off the rudder, and
so
it's got a pilot.
It's got a pilot, which is really unusual for an RTFer,
isn't it? We do find that.
So much room. I mean, that's a 6S 5000 pack.
Yep.
And you could put 3 of them in there. You've got so much space, you know.
Might not get the CG right, but
no, you have to have the pack quite far forward for the recommended CG. So the recommended CG is actually all the way forward to here. So we'll see how it flies and see if it needs to go back a little bit or not.
Okay.
But apart from that, nice and easy to put together. It looks great. I mean,
it does
look great. Nice EPO foam, really strong, really closed cell foam actually. So where it's been painted, you can hardly tell it's foam. So yeah, really nice 17-inch prop included. So yeah.
Enough, Jason.
Let's
enough.
Go fly.
Let's get it in the air.
Let's go fly. No problem. Ready?
Yep. So how's that?
You know what? That flies really well. I mean, that was genuinely its first flight.
Maiden flight, so you didn't go mad. It was just some simple circuits and then you added in a roll there.
Yeah, needed quite a bit of down trim, so I think the CG probably is a little bit too far forward. Taxiing around, it wants to kind of drop its nose a bit, so
tip forward, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to try the battery a little bit further back. In the roll, I put no down in, so it was really
fairly axial, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, very, very much so. So it flies really well. Really impressed for a foamie. It's probably one of the best foamies I've flown for a little while. So yeah, it flies really well. The retracts are nice. The flaps definitely slow it down on landing. I mean, as you saw, it kind of glided in quite well there. So
yeah.
Really impressed with it.
Really
yeah.
nice. So that is the TAFT
Yak-11.
Runs on a 6S 5000 pack. Really quick to put together. Made of this closed cell foam, so it's quite resilient, and the scheme is really well applied. Got some nice scale details, so it's a bit of a winner.
Nice model. Certainly a keeper. So,
yeah. Okay. Jason, thanks again.
See you next time.
See you next time.